Baby Doge launches long-awaited NFT collection. Baby Doge, a cryptocurrency created by fans of the Dogecoin online community that seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speeds and adorableness, has launched a long-awaited NFT collection. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. Hey, check the resources to more detailed information on Metaverse investing, decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT, non-fungible tokens, investing guides in the description box below. It's worth noting that Baby Doge initial supply was 420 quadrillion tokens, with almost 125 quadrillions already burned. To commemorate the day, the whitelisted mint went online on April 20 at 4:20 p.m. with each whitelisted user able to mint a maximum of 3 Baby Doge NFT. Baby Doge price jumped last year ahead of its NASCAR debut, as Crypto Globe reported. On July 10, the cryptocurrency made its NASCAR debut, with Baby Doge branding on driver Brandon Brown's No. 68 Chevrolet Camaro. Baby Doge has unveiled a long-awaited non-fungible token, NFT, collection, which was made by admirers of the Dogecoin online community. Ronaldinho partners with Baby Dogecoin. The partnership is another significant milestone for Baby Dogecoin as it progresses in its NFT adventure. Brazilian football legend Ronaldinho Gaucho has entered into a non-fungible token, NFT, partnership with Baby Dogecoin. The two-time winner of the FIFA Men's World Player of the Year award will collaborate with Baby Doge to launch an NFT collection. Baby Doge NFT adventure continues. Baby Doge, arguably the current most popular meme project on BNB chain, is not looking back on its NFT aspirations. Ronaldinho's announcement came on the same day that Baby Doge minted the first batch of its own NFT collection for whitelisted users. The public sale of Baby Doge NFT is ongoing as of writing. When released, the Ronaldinho NFT collection will likely create another exciting bubble in the community. The large fan base of Baby Doge, comprising over 1.5 million holders and a Twitter following of 1.2 million, provides the critical mass that could easily ramp up the value and adoption of the NFT. As seen in the responses to Ronaldinho's tweet, each token is kept on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC-721 token and hosted by the Interplanetary File System, IPS. The unveiling of the NFT collection appeared to be a success, as Baby Dogecoin quickly became a trending topic on Twitter. Because it is supposed to become rare over time, the cryptocurrency is hyperdeflationary. Baby Doge holders automatically receive more tokens because every transaction on the network incurs a 10% charges fee, of which 5% is profit among token holders and half is added to the network's liquidity. Almost 125 quadrillion burned. It can only be traded on PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange. According to its website, the coin was established on the Balance Smart Chain on June 1 with the goal of saving as many puppies as possible. Supporters of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency campaigned earlier this year to get the token listed on Binance, a large cryptocurrency exchange, through a campaign in which the trading platform invited users to express wishes, in the hopes of seeing some of them come true. It presently cannot seem to be recorded on Binance. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win.